Have you ever faced the issue where Facebook asks you to upload your ID for verification? You're not alone. Many users encounter this challenge when trying to recover their Facebook accounts, especially after being locked out or flagged for suspicious activity. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to fix the problem of your ID being rejected. This process can be confusing and time-consuming, but with our easy-to-follow guide, you'll learn the correct steps to upload your ID accurately, avoid common mistakes, and speed up the verification process. Whether your account was hacked, you forgot your login details, or Facebook is asking for additional verification, we're here to help. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Why Facebook requests ID verification. What types of IDs are accepted? Step-by-step instructions on how to change your Facebook name if it doesn't match the one on your ID to ensure approval. Step-by-step instructions on how to change your birth date if it doesn't match the one on your ID to avoid rejection. By the end of this video, you'll know how to handle the ID verification process easily and recover your account quickly. Don't let this issue prevent you from accessing your Facebook account. Make sure to like this video, share it with friends who are facing the same challenge, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech solutions and tutorials. Without wasting time, here's the reason why Facebook asks for ID verification. Facebook requests ID verification to ensure account security and authenticity. It helps confirm that accounts are operated by real people, prevent fraud, and protect against suspicious activity. Verification is often required if an account is flagged for unusual behavior, reported for misuse, or to comply with local laws and policies. It also helps recover hacked or compromised accounts. Now, these are the types of IDs that are accepted by Facebook. Facebook accepts a variety of IDs for verification. These IDs are divided into two categories: government IDs and non-government IDs. 1. Government IDs, highly recommended. Passport, national ID, NIDA, driver's license, government-issued health insurance card, military ID, social security card for some countries. 2. Non-government IDs can be used along with other documents. Employer ID card, university or school ID, bank card or credit card, utility bill, water, electricity, etc., employment contract, paycheck stub, business license. It's important to make sure that the ID you submit has your real name, a recognizable photo, and details that match those on your Facebook account. The last and most important step is to change your name and birth date if they don't match the ones on your ID. Inconsistent information often leads to rejection when you're required to submit an ID. In the video description, I've included these links. The first link is for changing your name on your account. The second link is for changing your birth date details, day, month, and year. I'll start by clicking the first link to change your name. After clicking that link, you'll be taken to a page that requires you to change your name. In the first section, you'll fill in your first name as it appears on your ID, like this. In the second section, you'll fill in the middle name. This is optional, so you can add it if you want, or leave it blank. In the third section, you'll fill in the last name. It's very important, so make sure you enter it exactly as on your ID. Once you've filled it in, proceed to the section to upload your ID. Click on the Choose Your File button, then select the image of your ID. Make sure when you take the photo, all four corners of the ID are visible and the text is clear. After selecting the image, click Done. In the Contact Email section, enter the email you use. This will help you receive a response after submitting these details. Once you've entered your email, go to the Send button and click it. You've now successfully requested to change your name. If the names you provide match those on your ID, there is a 100% chance of approval. Second step, change your birth date. Click on the second email link. You'll be taken to this page where you'll need to enter your correct year, then the month, and finally the day. Next, follow the steps where you're asked to provide a reason for changing your birth date. When you get to this section, choose the option that says, "This is my real birthday." Then upload your ID. After uploading your ID, click the Send button. In conclusion, it's important to follow the correct steps when submitting your ID to Facebook to ensure the verification process goes quickly and smoothly. Remember to use an accepted ID, follow all instructions, and be patient while Facebook processes your request. By doing this, you'll be able to recover your account easily and continue enjoying Facebook's services without any issues. If you have further questions or challenges, make sure to seek additional help or watch more tutorials.